your breath because Paris Fashion Week just got desified in the most epic way possible. So, just like every year, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan made a mind-blowing appearance at the Paris Fashion Week. And joining her this time was Alia Bhatt, doubling down the glam factor. Both actors made an appearance as ambassadors for the beauty giant L'Oreal and walked the ramp with much poise and elegance. Seriously, we just can't stop looking at them and their ensembles. Let's first look at Alia, who is a new entrant to the L'Oreal family and made her runway debut this year. She proved that she is definitely worth it in a metallic silver bustier that she paired with a black off-shoulder jumpsuit with a super flared hem. With this, she went for silver rectangular earrings and chunky ring fingers. What caught our attention was her wet hair look that added a touch of freshness to the tantalizing ensemble. For makeup, she opted for shimmer and a touch of pink to her lips. And look how confidently she walked the runway while waving and giving flying kisses to the audience. Now that's what we call a show-stealing debut. Moving on to long-time ambassador Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who ate and mothered at the same time. She looked ravishing in a loose-fitted satin red gown with a balloon hem that came with a long veil that had L'Oreal's tagline "We are worth it" printed on it. The veil was later detached from Aishwarya's dress as she began walking the ramp. Aishwarya went for bold red lips, a simple ring and perfectly styled hair with this look that made her appear like the ultimate diva. And there's more. In another picture doing the rounds on the internet, Aishwarya was seen in a unique hairdo that just looks so cute. She was also seen wearing an emerald-based trench coat with colorful prints and black trousers in another video. Looks great, right? Now, over to you. Who looked better, Aishwarya or Alia? Share your pick in the comments and stay tuned to Shosha for more from Paris Fashion Week.